Hi guys, good morning. It's me. It's almost 8 in the morning right now, and I'm about to get ready because today me and my mom are going to have a haircut after almost a year. I really need it. My hair is like giving up on me. It has been falling out so much lately. I really need a haircut. But before that, I have my online classes, so I have to attend them first and then only we can go. In the meantime, my parents are taking my cat to the vet because he's badly injured from a fight from another cat, and it has almost been a week. But the clinic we all usually go to, the doctor was hurt himself, that's why we have to postpone it. So this is me after washing my hair and attending my online classes, and I have to get ready pretty quickly because I was already running so late. So this is a very basic look, nothing too extravagant, just a natural look. Me applying my foundation and sunscreen. Guys, don't forget your sunscreen is really important. I'm concealing the areas where it is needed, especially around my nose because I don't know why it gets pretty red over there. So, especially like to cover up that area. Then I love to comb my brows. I don't know, it's just a very good feeling, and brows look confident. I always do that before filling my brows. I always use a brown brow pencil because it complements my hair. My hair is pretty brown, although it doesn't seem over here, but yeah, it is. Now I'm lining my eyes using a brown eyeliner, not a liquid one. This gives a very pretty and natural look, and the eyes always seem a little bigger than they are. I never apply anything else on my eyes when I just go out like that. Now the blushy blush part. Don't forget to smile, guys, whenever you apply your blush. It's important. I always apply it on my nose also. I don't know why, I just love the feeling of it. Now applying my mascara because the eyelashes should always look up. Oh, damn. That is what I believe. I'm applying my highlighter. I usually don't do this, but just for the sake of this video and for the fun of it, did it. And this is the final look. Nothing too special, just a natural look. And me posing. Love to pose. After reaching the salon, I had to wait in the lobby for a little while as they were making sure that there are not a lot of people inside and basically sanitizing everything for safety purposes. After getting inside, I was thinking what should I go for. Basically, I am trying to grow my hair, so I asked the hairdresser to get rid of the damaged hair to stimulate the growth of healthy hair. And the amount of hair he showed that he was about to cut, OMG. When I asked him, is it necessary to cut that much hair, he was like, yes, the hair is just dry and damaged down there, so we have to get rid of it to actually grow back the healthy hair. So there was no other option, so I had to go with it. I basically did a step cut the last time, which was almost a year back, so basically I have to do that again because that's how it works to get rid of all the damaged hair from all the steps. I usually go till 3 steps, not more than that. And actually the hair cutting didn't take much time. It was like 6 to 7 minutes, and I was quite happy with the end result. I do like long hair, but when I go shorter, I never hate it. Like, I have something for short hair. Even my mom, she thinks that I look much better with shorter hair. She thinks I look younger. Anyways, here you can see I'm almost finished. And please don't come for me that I'm not wearing my mask. It was actually quite loose, and when he was trying to tilt my head here and there, it was falling off. But don't worry, the atmosphere was completely fine inside. They were following each and every procedure or whatever you may say. So there was nothing to be scared of. Now this is the step, is drying my hair. I love this step so much. It makes my hair so bouncy after this. I try to do this at home, but the results are never the same. Actually, it's not very clear over here, but I got that little bounce. Actually, my hair is pretty thin, so I always go for this bouncy haircut, as it makes my hair look very voluminous. My hair used to be very thick when I was younger in the sense when I was in school, but these days it's just falling out so much. I don't know why, maybe because of my diet or something, but it's pretty stressful to see that much hair coming out of my head. But I believe it's just my poor diet. Once I improve that, my hair will be back to normal. Now this was not the video I was actually about to upload. It was something else, but that video is taking a little bit of time. I'm really excited for you guys to see that video. It'll be coming out really soon. I just thought in the meantime it will be fun to do a little vlog, as I was getting my hair done after almost 1 year. Now guys, this is the final look. I'm literally so in love with it. And thank you guys so much for tuning in with me today. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And thank you so much for 1000 subscribers. It really means the world to me. Thank you so much.